Somebody's got to carry the light stuff. Okay, hey everybody, it's Jeff here, Wood Times. Today, Derek and I are building a queen-size loft bed. We're gonna build it here in the shop, we're gonna paint it, and then we're gonna install it at the house. So using the trusty Craig jig, we will screw the top frame in from the inside. Derek is talking about the slats that are gonna go between these 2x4s for the strength of the bed. We decided to go every 10 inches. If you worry about liability, this bed will be no problem.
Not really sure how I'm getting down.
With the 4x4s, one of them is also the corner of the stairs. What I'm doing here is running a 2-inch diameter through the drill press where I'm going to put the 2-inch dowel, and I made 4 on each side for the stairs. When it's all said and done, there's what you got. So we got the whole frame built. Now what we're gonna do is take the 2 4x4s that is gonna make the ladder. I did 4 steps at 14 inches apart. Here I am ripping the dowels down to about 24 inches. The 4x4s, I drilled in each hole about 2.5 inches. 5 inches in total. Each dowel went in about 2.5 inches. So we got about 18 to 19 inches that make up the steps for the ladder. I'm going to use the old technique that we call persuasion. Damn. Did I mention that you will be doing lots of sanding? I've got the boards set up, the ladder and the posts. They're completely sanded. I'm going to put a coat of pure black paint. I'm going to let that dry, and then the last part before kind of disassembling and getting ready to load up to install at the property, I'll finish this with a nice coat of paint. We're good to go. We're going to take the ladder and the 4x4s over to the paint booth, or rather the garage door that I have set up to use as the paint booth, and we're going to put a coat of paint on this. That's the nice part where you can start to see it's coming together. Now it's painted and dried, and here's Derek screwing the 4x4s and the stairs in as we're assembling it, and then we're going to disassemble, bringing it to the client.
Get up here.
Here we have the cross braces that go on the 4x4 and the top frame, extra security. Here we are kind of cutting them out and putting the Craig jig to work.
Keeping the little screw holes hidden. All good to go. There we go, that's pretty good.
Measure twice, cut once, plumb.
Moment of truth. Nice and sturdy. Not going anywhere.
And that's what you want, nice and sturdy. Alright, so here we are working on the shelf that's going to go on top of the bed by the mattress. There's a special moment here. So we're disassembling the loft bed. We're going to load it on the truck, drive it to the customer's house, bring it into the bedroom. We're going to do the full install. Everything's going to be good to go. Time for install. Let's do it.
It's a good job. It'll be a nice sturdy bed. Kid will enjoy it. Be able to do his homework underneath it or play video games.
Well, if you're like me and you do all the work, then you know what it's like to be exhausted because you got to carry people. And we're arriving at the customer's house. My friends, here is the loft bed. This is a queen loft bed with the shelf. If you want the plans on how we built this, all the lumber, the steps that we took to build it, all of the hardware, it's available in the link below and on our website at woodtimes.org. And it also includes the shelf that is right here. Let us know how we can help. Here you go. Loft bed queen of a satisfied client.